Hey everyone, welcome back. From this video onwards, I'll be showing you how to make 30 different vegetable recipes. This will be a 6-part video. For part 1, in this video, I'll be making 5 side dishes or KOOTU to have with rice or roti. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients we need to make banana flour side dish or VAZHAIPOO KOOTU. These are some of the benefits of banana flour. For those who haven't seen it, this is banana flour, that's how it looks. Remove the skin. No need to use this for cooking. Inside you will have this banana flours. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the water. Soak the clean banana flour for 10 minutes to get rid of slight bitter taste. I've already put a video on how to clean banana flour. I will give the link in the description below. Once you see very small in size like this, you don't need to clean them. Let me take it out and show you. Just cut and use them. To make VAZHAIPOO KOOTU, add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of Cumin seeds. Saute this for a while. This is half an inch of ginger finely chopped and 2 green chilies. Saute this for a while. A few curry leaves, 10 shallots finely chopped. Fry this for a minute. To this I'm adding a small tomato. Let it cook for a minute. In this stage, add chopped banana flour. Give it a nice mix. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Banana flour is cooked well. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 4 tablespoons of boiled Parsi dal. You could also add tur dal or chana dal as well. Combine everything well. Finally, add chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Healthy banana flour side dish is ready. Serve hot. These are the ingredients for the second recipe, cluster bean side dish or KOTHAVARANGAI KOOTU. Let's make our second recipe, cluster bean side dish. For that, into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of both mustard and cumin seeds. Fry it for about 30 seconds. Add half an inch ginger, a few curry leaves. Saute it for a while. I'm adding 10 shallots finely chopped. Fry it for a minute. To this add 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Mix well. Add cluster beans, a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Cook on a low flame for about 10 minutes. Cluster beans is done. Add 1.5 tablespoons of crushed peanuts and 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. Mix everything well. Healthy cluster bean side dish is ready. These are the ingredients for third recipe, ivy gourd or KOVAKAI poriyal. To make this recipe, we need 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of both mustard and cumin seeds. Fry it for about 30 seconds. Add a few curry leaves, 12 shallots finely chopped. Fry it for 30 seconds. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, add according to your taste. Saute this for about 30 seconds. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Take a ivy gourd, cut into 4 pieces. This is 250 grams of ivy gourd. Give it a nice mix. Cook this for 12 to 15 minutes on a low flame. Add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Fry it for another 2 minutes. Ivy gourd is done, nice and crispy. Turn off the flame. Healthy and nutritious ivy gourd side dish is ready. These are the ingredients for fourth recipe, stuffed rich gourd masala or pirkanka masala. First, let's make a paste. Into a blender, add 1 tablespoon of groundnut, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 7 to 8 shallots, 1 small tomato, 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves, a small piece of tamarind, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. Add 3 tablespoons of water, grind into a fine paste. This is 1 rich gourd. Peel the skin, cut into chunks, then cut crosswise. Do not cut fully. Cut 3/4 of it as shown here. Stuff the rich gourd with this paste. We need extra oil for this recipe, so 3 tablespoons of oil. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few curry leaves, 3 red chilies, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give a mix. Keep the flame on low and add the rich gourd. Roast this on a low medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to the remaining paste. Mix well and add it to the pan. Combine everything well. Cover and cook on a low flame. This will take around 20 to 25 minutes. Getting a nice aroma. Stuffed rich gourd is ready. Garnish with some coriander leaves. Delicious rich gourd side dish is ready. These are the ingredients for 5th recipe, elephant foot yam or sena kirangu. Boil the yam for 2 minutes, then grate it finely. To this I am adding half an inch ginger finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, some curry leaves, a teaspoon of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, add a teaspoon of salt. Combine everything together. To season this, add a tablespoon of oil, half a teaspoon of both mustard and cumin seeds. Quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, add the seasoning to yam and give it a mix. We are going to steam yam, so keep a tablespoon of this yam mixture and fold like a parcel. Now let's steam the yam. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Let's check out the steamed yam. Nice appetizing flavor. Flavorful steamed yam is ready. These dishes are a little different from the usual ones. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Do try these recipes and share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. In my part 2 video, I'll be showing you how to make rice recipes using 5 different vegetables. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!